recording part 2 of the snow-capped road, if you can call it that we're actually on. Ian's still driving, we haven't crashed. We've got a car behind us which stopped and helped dig us out of the hole when we had to get past somebody on this stupid single track road.
I think we've now left Spain and we are officially in Narnia.
Yeah, scenery's stunning.
It's not, it's horrible, I hate it now. Fuck off, snow. Oh.
We are currently using low range, 4-wheel drive for the first time, and it seems to be working pretty damn well. Yeah, this could be our last video blog. We could die on this mountain at any point, but you know, we've got to find a wardrobe. We'll keep going and see what happens.